In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Instagram 2025. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Click on your profile, wait for it to gradually load up. Click on your this profile, right? Click on your personal details right here from this upper display option, right? Wait for it to gradually load up, right? Okay, so if you love to change your email, right, you're gonna click on this, I think, password and security, right? Okay, yeah, you're gonna click on this personal details. Click on this personal details. Right now you can see contact info. Click on it, right? I'm gonna just click on this. I'm gonna click on this delete email, right? Once I've deleted it, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna add a new one from here. This is basically how you can change email on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.